spacebar key. What is a spacebar key? Okay, let us see. Spacebar key is used to give space between numbers, letters and words. Dear children, assume that you are writing in a notebook. So while writing, what happens? After each word, you will put some space and then only you will write the next word, right? Similarly, if you are writing numbers means if you write one number, you will give some space and then only you will write the next number, right? Similarly, in computer also, you can leave some space by using the spacebar key in the keyboard. Okay? Then what is the next point? Yes, it is the longest key in the keyboard, right? That means you have seen so many keys in the keyboard. So while comparing with other keys, this spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, let us see a video. So my dear children, can you identify the spacebar key in this keyboard? Which is the longest key you can see here? Yes, this is the longest key in the keyboard. Okay, so this key is called as spacebar key. Okay, so now let us see what is the use of this spacebar key. Now look at this. I have typed keys Keys. Okay, so after that I need to put some space. Which key I will use? Yes, I will use this space bar key. Okay, let us see what happens when I am pressing this space bar key. Okay, yes, when I am pressing the space bar key, this line moves, right? And if you want to again type words means you can type by pressing the keyboard. Okay, I am going to type in I-N. Okay, you can see on the monitor screen, right? And if you want to give space means which key I'll use? Yes, the space bar key. Yes, it is moving, right? Similarly, in between numbers also you can give space. Okay, let us see. Now I am typing the number 5. Yes, you can see on the monitor screen, right? Now I am going to press the space bar key. What happens? Yes, one space is moved, right? Now I am going to press number 6. Yes, got it? So now what all things we have studied about spacebar key? Yes, spacebar key is used to give space between numbers, letters and words. Okay, and it is the longest key on the keyboard. Got it? Okay, now let us see what's the next topic. Yes, it is enter key. What it is? It is enter key. What is the spelling of enter key? Yes, E-N-T-E-R-K-E-Y. Okay, E-N-T-E-R-K-E-Y. Okay, so what is the use of enter key? Yes, the enter key is used to go to next line. That means assume that when you are typing, you want to go to next line. What will you do? You have to press this enter key. Okay, now let us watch a video how to go to next line. Dear children, can you identify the enter key in this keyboard? Where is the enter key? Can you see? Did you identify it? Yes, here is the enter key. Yes, enter key is here, right? And here also you are having one more enter key. So totally 2 enter keys are there, right? You can either use this enter key or use this enter key. Okay. Now let us see how to go to next line. Which key I will press? Yes, I will press enter key. Let us see what happens. When I am pressing enter key, yes, that line goes to next line, right? Now I am going to press keyboard. Yes, Keyboard. Okay. Again, if you want to go to next line, which key will you press? Yes, again you can press enter key. Okay. Yes, it goes to next line. Now I am going to type numbers. Okay. 45. Okay. We have studied about enter key, right? Now let us see what are the other keys in the keyboard. What are they? Yes, it is arrow keys. What is the spelling of arrow key? A-R-R-O-W-K-E-Y-S. Okay. So how many arrow keys are there? Yes, there are 4 arrow keys in the keyboard. Okay. Dear children, can you identify the arrow keys? Yes, these are the 4 arrow keys in the keyboard. Now Let us see what are the other keys in the keyboard. Yes, what are they? Yes, it is function keys, right? How many function keys are there? Yes, you are having 12 function keys in the keyboard. Let us see what are the 12 function keys. Yes. Can you identify the function keys? Yes, where are they? Yes, these are the function keys. What are they? Yes, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10, F11 and F12. 12 function keys are there in the keyboard. Okay? Thank you.